Considering budget-friendly options, creatively adapting to different situations, and seeking unconventional experiences, one can truly make the most of their journey without breaking the bank. This process encourages individuals to broaden their horizons, discover hidden gems, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for both the adventure itself and the art of budget-conscious exploration. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Budget planning. Setting a budget is the foundation of any affordable adventure. Begin by estimating the total amount you're willing to spend on your trip. Break down this budget into categories such as transportation, accommodation, food, activities, and miscellaneous expenses. Be sure to account for any potential emergencies or unexpected costs. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you will stick to the end. 2. Off-peak travel. Traveling during off-peak seasons offers several advantages. Flight and accommodation prices are generally lower due to decreased demand. Additionally, popular tourist spots are less crowded, allowing you to enjoy attractions without the hassle of long lines and overcrowding. 3. Flexible dates. Flexibility with your travel dates can lead to significant savings. Use search engines that allow you to view prices for a range of dates. Even shifting your departure or return by a day or two can result in more affordable options. 4. Accommodation alternatives. Beyond traditional hotels, consider staying in budget-friendly alternatives like hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals. These options often provide a more local and authentic experience while being easier on your wallet. 5. Local cuisine and markets. Dining at local eateries and markets saves money and introduces you to the region's culinary culture. Engage with locals, sample traditional dishes, and enjoy cost-effective meals that are often more authentic than those in touristy restaurants. 6. Public transportation. Public transportation is usually cheaper than taxis or private shuttles. Utilize trains, buses, trams, subways, and even bikes to explore your destination. This approach not only saves money but also lets you immerse yourself in the local way of life. 7. Free and low-cost activities. Research attractions and activities that are free or have minimal entry fees. City parks, museums with discounted admission times, street performances, and self-guided walking tours can provide enriching experiences without straining your budget. 8. Travel rewards and miles. Take advantage of travel rewards programs offered by credit card companies and airlines. Accumulated points, miles, or cashback rewards can significantly reduce your travel expenses, including flights and accommodation. 9. Travel deals and alerts. Subscribe to newsletters, travel deal websites, and fare alerts. These resources notify you about limited-time offers, discounted packages, and special deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. 10. Pack light. Packing light not only saves you money on baggage fees, but also makes your travel more efficient. Many budget airlines charge extra for checked luggage, so fitting everything into a carry-on bag can help you avoid unnecessary expenses. 11. DIY tours. Instead of booking pricey guided tours, create your own itineraries using travel guides, maps, and online resources. Research attractions and landmarks, and plan your route to maximize your exploration of the destination. 12. Work exchange and volunteering. Websites like Workaway, HelpX, and WWOOF connect travelers with opportunities to work in exchange for accommodation and meals. Engaging in work exchanges or volunteering not only reduces costs, but also allows you to engage with the local community on a deeper level. 13. Local transportation apps. Use local transportation apps or rideshare services to navigate around the city efficiently. These options can often be more cost-effective than traditional taxis and provide convenience and transparency in pricing. 14. Group discounts. If you're traveling with a group, inquire about group discounts for accommodations, tours, and activities. Negotiating as a group can often lead to reduced rates, making your adventure more affordable for everyone involved. 15. Prioritize experiences. Focus on experiences that align with your interests and passions. Prioritize what truly matters to you, and skip activities that might not bring as much enjoyment. This approach ensures that you allocate your resources to the most meaningful and memorable aspects of your trip. 16. Travel insurance. Investing in comprehensive travel insurance is a fundamental component of responsible budget planning for any journey. While it may appear as an additional expense, the financial protection it provides in the face of unforeseen events is invaluable. From trip cancellations and medical emergencies to lost baggage, unexpected incidents can lead to significant financial burdens. Thus, considering the upfront cost of travel insurance as a wise investment ensures a worry-free and secure travel experience. 17. Currency exchange strategies. Strategic handling of currency exchange is paramount to minimizing fees and maximizing spending power. Avoiding currency exchange at airports, where rates are often less favorable, is a prudent move. Instead, opt for local ATMs for better rates and consider carrying a small amount of local currency for immediate expenses upon arrival. These strategies empower travelers to make the most of their money and navigate foreign transactions with financial acumen. 18. Destination research. Thorough research on your destination is essential for identifying cost-effective alternatives for attractions, accommodations, and activities. Some areas offer free walking tours, discounted museum passes, or city cards that provide access to multiple attractions at reduced rates. Prior knowledge of these options significantly impacts overall expenses, allowing travelers to make informed and budget-conscious choices during their journey. 19. Travel loyalty programs. Exploring loyalty programs offered by travel-related businesses can yield substantial benefits. Car rental agencies, restaurants, and attractions often provide points or membership benefits that translate into discounts, complimentary services, or exclusive access. Engaging with these programs contributes to overall cost savings, enhancing the value of your travel experience. 20. Negotiate accommodation rates. When booking accommodation, proactive negotiation can result in more favorable rates, especially for extended stays or during non-peak times. Directly contacting hotels to inquire about discounts, promotions, or bundled packages that may not be advertised online can lead to significant savings. Polite negotiation skills can make your stay more budget-friendly without compromising on quality. 21. Water and snack savings. Staying hydrated and fueled without overspending is achievable by carrying a reusable water bottle and snacks. Purchasing beverages and snacks at tourist hotspots can be expensive, making it financially prudent to have your supplies. This not only saves money but also ensures you have sustenance throughout the day, enhancing your overall travel experience. 22. Student and youth discounts. If you're a student or a young traveler, taking advantage of available discounts for your demographic is a savvy move. Many attractions, transportation services, and accommodations offer special rates for students and youth, providing an excellent opportunity to explore on a budget. Uncovering these discounts enhances affordability without compromising on the richness of your travel experience.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
23. Cashback apps and credit card benefits. Utilizing cashback apps or credit cards with additional benefits adds a layer of savings to your travel expenses. Whether it's cashback on specific purchases or discounts at partner establishments, these small savings accumulate over the course of your trip, contributing to a more economical and enjoyable travel experience. 24. House sitting or pet sitting. Considering house sitting or pet sitting as a means of securing accommodation at no cost introduces a unique and budget-friendly aspect to your travel plans. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect travelers with homeowners in need of house or pet sitters, offering a distinct way to experience a destination while minimizing lodging expenses. Embracing such opportunities not only saves money, but also provides a more immersive and authentic travel experience. 25. Research transportation passes. Many cities worldwide offer transportation passes that provide unlimited access to public transportation for a set duration. Investing time in researching and obtaining these passes is a strategic move, especially if you plan to use public transportation frequently. These passes often offer substantial savings compared to individual ticket purchases, contributing to a more cost-effective and efficient travel experience. Remember that affordable adventures don't necessarily mean sacrificing quality or enjoyment. With careful planning and a willingness to explore creatively, you can uncover amazing experiences without straining your budget. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.